Hey guys, Courtney at Lost Puppy Ranch with Macy, Maddie, Rusty, Stella, CJ, and Maya. I am gonna go on a little... Yeah, I know, Maddie. Probably should have put them in the house first, but we'll see if I can get a little ways. So there are some trails, which it's kind of hard to tell because of all the leaves that fell, but this trail goes straight that way. Relax. Then there's another one that goes straight down there, but all these little trees kind of broke. You are fine. I'm gonna see if they will allow me to do this or not. So all of the land down here, all of that is all mine. The road itself is way down there. So I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. And I saw a pink marker down there. Oh, I see one way up here. Okay. So, come over this way. Huh. I wonder if that's mine. Because if that's on my property, I don't see... See, this is where I get confused because there's pink tags down there, but there's a blue tag right there. Unless mine kind of goes, let's see. Let's see if I can find, there's a pink tag, okay. So let's go down to the pink tags. Blue tag. Another blue tag, but there's a pink tag right there. And a pink tag right there. See, I'm so confused. I really don't know. Because this pink tag way down here and there's blue there. But there's pink right, see, and there's pink down there. Pink, and that pink should go straight back there. Which I don't think is mine. So, let's just follow the good old pink then. Okay, there's one. Uh-oh. Well, should have brought my little chainsaw with me. There's pink right there. That house was not there when I came up to look at the property. Another one here. And I know when the realtor showed me, I remember that tree being down because he marked it. So pink. There's pink right there. Oh, good Lord. Okay. Well, I don't know if I see any more pink. I know there's pink this way. I just don't know where. And I really didn't want to go down the hill, but you know what? Let's go down the hill. Actually, I think it goes that way, but let's check it out. So the house is way up there. And that was like 10 times zoom. So, let's see. I really don't see any more pink. I don't want to I mean, I know this is all my land through here. I just wish it was marked somewhere in here so I knew. Because I think I'm down too far. I think I gotta be up there. This is why I want to go through and put like a single line, fence line through here or something. There's pink right there. Okay. All right, we're doing good. There we go. Now we got a pretty solid line. So I'm gonna feel bad for these people because we got pink line. So we got pink, pink, straight up that way. Those people are literally gonna be looking out their window at whatever animals I bring home. Is this? I mean, it's pretty. It's hilly. They're really fun on a sled. But okay, so there's pink. Is this my no trespassing sign that somebody wrote down? Sure shit it is. Well, where's my... Somebody seriously ripped it out of the goddamn tree. Where's the nails? I know there was nails in this tree. Yep. Right there, and right there. And right there, and right there. So, I'm gonna have to come back out here and put this up since somebody, we're gonna get right on that.